how to make a paper aeroplane. Get your paper, fold it in half. After folding it in half, fold it back out like this. Wait for a second. Okay, after folding it, fold it back out and your paper should look like this. After doing that, you have to fold in the corners. After folding in your corner, your paper should look like this. After doing that, you have to bring it down and your paper should look like this. And after doing that, see the creases that you made when you folded it in half? Fold one wing along that line and do it same to the other. And then your paper should look like this. After doing that, fold it in half. And then your paper should look like this. Okay, then you do this. And after doing that, do it same to the other wing. And then your paper airplane should look like this. Time to test it out. Okay. After flying, your paper airplane should do anything. That's how it works. And to slow it, you're gonna have to do this. And that's the end.